everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solofelo Moote for those of you who don't know me, and to my returning service, thank you so much guys for the love and for the continuous support. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below and become part of this family. Guys, I'm actually on my way to PE now. As always, I'm going to do my nails, hopefully that is not full, and I'm also going to be installing my hair. And then me and my partner, we're gonna go out later on. I'm not really sure where, but I actually took some of my clothes that I'm gonna change to when I get to PE. So I'm gonna go to my sister-in-law's house to change there when we go out later on. So guys, your girl is finally on the festive mood. Yesterday was actually my last day at work, so now fully free to enjoy my festive. I really needed that break from work, guys. I'm so tired, and I'm actually thinking that I'm gonna use this time to rest, hopefully. But yeah, anyway guys, I just wanted to open this vlog. Let's go and I'll see you in PE, but let me have breakfast quickly and then we're heading out right now. Bye. If you feel like I feel, confusion can't get weighted down. For there are times when I fall short of what I say.
Driving, no talk. Sharp.
What it is? What's
I'm seeing one of this message.
What's happening?
It's done. It's okay. I don't even ask what the emergency is.
Did you kiss me?
Tapelo Chaka Digency, I love you too. Baby, this song, you know it.
I'm get copyrighted. Guys, I'm walking up the stairs. I'm on second floor. I haven't been going to gym, guys, in a while, so you can imagine that my fitness is on 0.0. Ndikhathele. Uthetha ngami. Uthi ndenzani? I don't know your content creation. I want to show people that you are a mess. You're gonna play music anyway. Worry less. Gorgeous. How is that girl from TikTok? I'm a gorgeous girl. She's close, she's also a musician. She also has a big forehead and she baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one you must make me. I don't understand. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. am done, guys. What do you think? But I'm happy. I'm really happy. Let me take some pictures for her and for myself as well. But hair is done. I'm gonna go for my nails now. I hope that guys almost done with the people that are there.
It's just a way of saying thank you to me for being.
That's it. I'm just gonna shoot here because the lighting is proper.
In the background. Yo.
Guys, I'm done with my hair. Linda did the most, as always. Linda, guys, ndimhleke sana for no reason. Jonga. I'm waiting for my driver, guys. My driver is here. Let me go.
Bye, boo.
Bye, boo.
See you next week.
Yeah.
I celebrate Christmas. Please don't wish me Merry Christmas.
Okay.
I'm not marrying anyone.
I'm gonna bring my wig.
Subscribe to that channel, guys. Bye.
Bye, boo.
Because
Okay, I will. Sure, my love. Hi. How are you doing? Even my driver, I didn't even check the numbers and stuff.
How you're busy, Moise, taking a video.
I'm busy vlogging and taking content. I didn't even check if you are my driver. Are you? I'm going to Parliament Street. Hi guys, I actually have a story to tell you now.
The fastest route despite some traffic. You should reach your destination by 17:50. Turn right. Then turn right.
So guys, I just left the salon now. I wanted to do my nails, but the guy is so slow and the queue is very long. So I realized that if I wait there, I'm gonna finish around like 10 p.m. and I'm not willing to do that. So now I'm gonna go to the mall to Boardwalk because my partner is there doing his hair, so he couldn't come fetch me. So I'm gonna go there and then I'm gonna go change and we're gonna go out. So I look so ghetto nail wise. I'm not happy, guys, but I'll come back on Monday. Yeah.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is desire. Anything comes. Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Hey my loves, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. Lip gloss yuck. I hope you guys are well. Guys, yesterday was amazing. I really had a great night. I think you guys saw that it was hectic. It was hectic. So today is a Saturday and I think it's 10 to 2. I've been like chilling in bed the whole day, the whole morning. I'm literally just going out now with my partner. We're going to get some food because we didn't cook, and also there's nothing to eat in the house, so we're gonna have McDonald's. And then what are you doing? Come baby. So we're gonna have McDonald's and then I'll see how the day goes. It's actually coldish. It was raining throughout the morning, but yeah, we'll see how the day goes. Yo guys, I didn't sleep with my bonnet, so my hair is getting messed up, but I'm gonna go to PE Monday, so this girl will literally fix my hair. Anyway, let's go guys. We are here. Can we have that with orange juice?
Can you please press the contact?
Hold me close and let me stay until the sunrise. Just say you'll hold me forever, at least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 I said let me stay a
Guys, I'm done eating. I'm not sure if I really enjoyed today's food. I feel like, but wala pile because it is December, so I didn't really enjoy my food. But at least I'm full. I'm actually now heading to the mall. I'm going to the mall. I don't know what I'm looking for, But yeah, let's go to the mall. How are you guys doing? How's your festive going? It's a buying festive, I don't know. Let's be safe, guys, and take care of yourselves, okay? Love you guys. Let me go. Hey my loves, I just got back home, so I thought I should show you guys what I bought from the mall. I actually didn't buy a lot of stuff, honestly. I just bought few things that I need, few items that I need. So I actually got inkomazi. I'm gonna be baking now. I just need to check the load shedding. We'll see what time is it, and I might start now after this. And then I also got my face wash because the other one is finishing. I also got this Revlon foundation. I'm trying different foundations, guys. I literally don't know which one to use anymore. I also got this because I'm actually craving inkomazi, papa and inkomazi, putu and inkomazi. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it today though, but that's one thing that I know that I'm gonna make this week or this weekend or next week, whatever. But yeah, I also got these face cloths from Pick n Pay. Yeah, I think they're on special. I don't remember the price, but yeah, I also got this. I also got this saving tray. I don't know if you guys can see. It was $2.20 from Mr. Price Home. Guys, I was so embarrassed with the tray that I have, guys. It was not cute at all, so I wanted to buy one. It's not the one that I really wanted, but I feel like it's better than the one that I have. You know. Morning guys, we are here at the color run. It was supposed to be yesterday actually, and then because of the rain they had to postpone, so we came today, and I'm actually excited that it's really happening today. Anyway, I'll see you guys. I can show guys. Maybe in the way now is smack that.
There are times when I fall short.
guys, it's actually a few hours later of the day. Guys, load shedding is the pit. Like South Africa and its load shedding, it's really now annoying. It's really getting into our nerves. So I'm literally chilling by the balcony because there's no load shedding. Actually, there is load shedding because there's load shedding, and I don't know what to do with myself. I'm thinking of going to the park, but someone busy, so I don't want to go to the park alone, guys. And I'm so bored. Not really bored, but I feel like doing some chilled vibes, kind of like, you know, going to chill at the park or beach or something. But right now I'm just chilling by myself, having my drink. I'm actually having Hennessy and appetizer. Let me show you guys. So this is literally me Sunday alone. So yeah, guys, that's basically the plan of now. And guys, my eyes are actually reacting. I don't know, it started in the morning when I went for color run. Like, this eye was teary, and even now, man, it feels a bit heavy. I don't know what's the problem. And I've been contemplating to buy reading glasses, but I was actually telling my partner the other day that it's actually my New Year's resolution. I need to get myself reading glasses because I don't know what's happening with my eyes. But anyway, I'm gonna chill here, guys, for now. If anything happens, I'll keep you guys posted. Bye. Dilo di changile, baby ya ka itsogile. Ba re ka sepeza. Motho a ka o tsogile, guys. Motho a ka o tsogile. Re a dilo na le motho wa ka. Ow. Baby o tsogile, guys. A di cooler box di tsoge. Re ba kene. I'm kidding, guys, but Bae is awake now, so we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna chill, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Yo, manala aga bathong.
Ngiyasiphinda njengedo nginikeza ithuba nenza iflow manje sengibuyile going low basilisa ublow electro ngiyasiphinda njengedo nginikeza ithuba manje na flow manje sengibuyile going low. Let's go. I'm so okay. I'll see you okay. My pet to 3 you okay. I'll tell you 6 you okay. Patinello you okay. MK you okay. You okay.
We have officially made it to the end of this vlog. I just wanted to close out this video and let you guys know that I really appreciate your support. I do get your messages on my WhatsApp, I get your messages on my Instagram, and trust me, that really motivates me. And guys, I actually wanted to close this vlog yesterday, but I was like, you know what, let me wait till I do my nails. And because on my intro I did mention that I'm gonna do my nails, so I wanted you guys to see my nails before I close this vlog. So here we go. guys, this guy did the most. Hey, I think you guys saw on the video as well. So yeah guys, this is basically the end of this vlog. This is actually Vlogmas episode 3, and I'll see you guys on Vlogmas episode 4, which I think I'll be starting to record it today, hopefully, if things goes well. But anyway guys, thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate it. Can you please share this video? Please share with your friends. Please ask them to subscribe as well, and please leave me some nice comments there. Yeah guys, so basically this is it, and see you on the next vlog. Love you guys. Be safe, drink responsibly, and don't drink and drive. Much love. Much love from me and my cute nails. Bye.